Jenkins is a continuous integration and build server. I'll cover continuous integration in a few minutes. Basically, Jenkins is used to manually, periodically, and/or automatically build software development projects. These project builds can include compilation, running automated tests, verifying code quality adherence, and even deployment to an application server. While Jenkins is very capable and flexible, Jenkins is often used as an orchestrator between other tools or specialized services that carry the project to the next step and then report back the status. For example, Jenkins might contact a dedicated deployment tool in an enterprise environment. Jenkins is free and open source. That means the Jenkins development community is largely responsible for supporting and improving Jenkins. However, there are several companies that have taken the task of providing enterprise-class commercial support for those that require it. Jenkins is powered by Java and runs on the Jetty web application container by default. You can set up Jenkins to run on any other application servers or web containers, but we will stick with the default arrangement for this course. Jenkins is available online at jenkins-ci.org in a variety of installation options and plenty of documentation.